Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you the fix for the common problem on the GM vehicles where the fans run at full blast, and even when you turn the vehicle off, they're still running. So if you look at the coolant temperature sensor here, it's all the way at the bottom, even though the vehicle's been warmed up, and we check the transmission temperatures as well, and it's warm. And what you notice is even when the car has been turned off, these fans continue to run. So as you can see here, we turned it off and they continued to run. So first off, you're going to want to take a 10mm socket and disconnect the negative battery cable. This will turn those fans off so they don't continue to run and drain your battery. And also during the repair that I'm going to mention, you're going to want to make sure that this is disconnected as well to reset the system and your check engine light, as well as keep from any problems happening while you're doing the repair. Now, as a temporary fix, you can also disconnect this battery cable, wait for about 10 minutes, put it back on. Sometimes that will at least reset it until it happens again, but you will need to do the repairs you'll see in this video. So a lot of times this is the temperature sensor. So this is the engine coolant temperature sensor, but what you'll notice, a lot of people replace that, and because they disconnected the battery and reset the system, all seems well, only to find that it happens again. So later, what people will do is then replace the thermostat. So the car's thermostat is right here, and what will happen is it will stick open. So the thermostat sticking open will overcool the engine, and sometimes it is actually at about 160 degrees operating temperature. So when you see the gauge way down there at 160, sometimes it's not the temperature sensor that's failed, but the engine actually is cooler than it should be. And the truck knows that because it knows the temperature sensor for the transmission and everything else. And so it goes into its default limp mode and runs those fans. So with those thermostats, they tend to stick open, and they can be intermittent too, where it happens one day and it doesn't in another. So check the video description because I have a full install on the new thermostat, which you see here, as well as the coolant temperature sensor. Now, the GM sensors, when they do fail, they usually do read 0. I've had that happen on my transmission temperature sensor as well. Check the video description. I have a install on that one too. But basically, the fix for this is replacing the thermostat, as you see here, as well as the engine temperature sensor. Now, these repairs must be done once the engine is cool. The coolant temperature can burn you, so you want to make sure that the engine is all the way cool. Also, when you add more coolant, because you'll lose some during the repair, you want to make sure you're using the proper coolant and the proper burping system. The way that I've liked to burp these is to actually remove this radiator hose in the front, and when you lift it up into the air, that's going to create the high point. And as we fill the system here with the degas tank off, the whole video will show this process. That's how you're going to burp it as well, so that you don't have other problems down the road. So check the video description. I have the full install on the new temperature sensor as well as the thermostat. And if your fans are running at full blast, that's most likely what's causing this. It is a limp mode that the vehicle does. So check the video description for that. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.